Hi guys, it's Adam from Rain Horn in Rosebud. Here we are for the auction at 47 Summers Avenue in McCrae. We've had a terrific campaign. Tell them about it, Shane.
We have had a great campaign, thank you Adam. Over 50 inspections during the course of the campaign, over a dozen Section 32s have been handed out to a range of different buyers looking at this home for different reasons. This will be an exciting auction regardless of the weather. Let's get it underway.
First call at 700,000. 705 I have, thank you and welcome. 705 now, the bidding over here on my right hand side, calling for 10. And 10 I have, thank you. 710, 15 can I say. First, second, third. 760 I have here on the right hand side. 800,000, ladies and gentlemen, we're on the market. We're unreserved, we're selling. Finished homes, rebuilt, refurbed, have been selling on this hill for up to and in excess of $1.5 million. 800 I have on the right hand side, one more can I say.
820.
820.
840.
840 I have. 50 I have. 850,000 now the bid. Final call for 47 Summers Avenue in McCrae at $850,000. Selling. Selling. Sold. Congratulations for $850,000.
Well guys, another successful Rain and Horn auction. 100% this year from Auctions We Are, the up and coming agents in Rosebud and the Southern Peninsula. I've got an extremely happy vendor. The buyers are stoked from Bentley East. This has been one of the best campaigns we've run all year. We're really pleased for both parties. If you're looking to auction on the Peninsula, call Rain and Horn.